So you know how I always be saying y'all need to solo travel the world and blah, 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 and this and that? Yeah, I'm about to be a hypocrite because I'm about to tell y'all the truth. It ain't for everybody. Don't leave my video, stay here and find out why. Solo travel ain't for everybody because a lot of people just don't have that solo travel gene, bro. It's in you, in your soul. You don't know it though. You just don't know it until you do it. You just don't know it until you do it. If you the type of person that can't get in your car and say, I want to just go drive 2 hours away somewhere and go get something to eat by myself, then you probably the type of person that can't solo travel. And I ain't gonna put that in no box like that. I ain't gonna say everybody like that. But if you can't eat in a restaurant by yourself, you can't solo travel, bro. No. If you can't go to the movies by yourself, you can't solo travel, dog. You know what I'm saying? So that type of traits. Like if you can't do nothing by yourself, you go out there and try to solo travel by yourself. Go out there and you can't even go to a restaurant by yourself, boy, you will drown. You will be out there, man, you will be out there lost, boy. You will be lost. You ain't people, a lot of people that can't solo travel are the type of people that aren't good at solving problems. And I'm not bashing y'all one bit because we all have strengths and weaknesses. You know what I mean? I'm not bashing anybody. I have weaknesses too. It's some things that you might can do better than me, but that's just something that you don't do well. It solve issues like that, like trying to find your way through an airport and then the language is different. You know what I'm saying? Like trying to piece things together, because as a solo traveler, those type of things are fun. You know what I mean? That's a challenge. And then the thing about it is, once you solo travel places, 1 time, 2 times, you already pretty much become a pro, because you realize a pattern that everything is the same everywhere you go in a sense, bro. All airports are the same, bro. In a way, you can find clues, bro. Like you can piece things together, but some people can't do that. So solo travel ain't for you. Another thing about solo travel, bro, if you were the type of person that just need to be cuddling all the time and be cuddled on and cuddled, it's not for you, bro. Because, man, you gonna have nights where you be alone. You gonna feel alone in the city with millions of people. You know what I'm saying? You could be in Bangkok out in traffic and feel alone if you don't know nobody. If you're the type of person that goes all the way back to you can't do things on your own, because now, not just being able to solo travel on your own, once you get there, can you go to a bar by yourself? Can you go to the club by yourself? Can you eat by yourself? Can you go to the grocery store by yourself? You got to be able to do all that if you solo traveling, bro. So it's not for people like that. But good things about people, I'm going to say good things about people that don't really solo travel. They are more, what's the word I'm looking for? I ain't got nothing good to say about y'all. What? But yeah, so that's the type of things and people that solo travel isn't for. And that's totally fine, bro. It's not for everybody, bro. Everything can't be for everybody, bro. I don't eat ranch dressing and I don't like sour cream, but other people love it.
Weird, buddy.
But anyway, y'all get off my video, man. And y'all come back and watch another video. Matter of fact, if you stayed this long, because y'all know y'all love to click off people's video, I can see the stats now. I'm just playing. I really love what I do, y'all, and I'm having fun. See y'all later.